In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in Zoho Desk. If you're looking to organize your ticket management process more effectively, then mastering the creation and application of tags is the perfect place to start. Tags help you categorize tickets based on specific labels or keywords, making it easier to filter and track issues efficiently. So, let's dive right into the process of adding these handy tags. First, start by navigating to the Tickets module within Zoho Desk. Once you're there, open the ticket that you'd like to work with. This is your initial step to diving into the management and organization of your customer service interactions. Now that you have the desired ticket open, your next move is to click on the Tags option found in the left pane. It's strategically positioned here to be easily accessible and to streamline your workflow as you manage multiple tickets. Just a quick tip. If you're someone who prefers keyboard shortcuts for efficiency, you can simply use Shift+T to quickly enter the Tags section. This can save you some time and keep your process smooth. Once you're in the Tags section, start typing the name of the tag you wish to add. As you begin typing, Zoho Desk's intuitive feature will automatically suggest existing tags that resemble your input. This is immensely helpful because it allows you to maintain consistency in your tagging system. You can choose the appropriate suggestion if it fits your requirement, which ensures uniformity across your ticketing system. After you've decided on or created a new tag, the next step is to finalize your action by clicking on the tag text itself. This action associates the tag with the current ticket, effectively locking it in place. The seamless integration and execution of these tags mean that the next time you, or any member of your team, are scanning through tickets, you'll have a straightforward way to identify the ticket based on the tag you've just applied. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've now established an efficient way to manage and categorize tickets in Zoho Desk using tags. This practice can rapidly improve your team's ability to handle customer communications, ensuring that no issue falls through the cracks and that your service quality remains high. As you get more accustomed to using tags, you might find even more creative or specific ways to deploy them across your tickets, further optimizing your service process. Remember, tags are not only a useful tool for organization,